Hey people, so we are at this place called Max, which is close to the JNTU metro station, and this is a weekday, and so it's all pretty much deserted. But yeah, what I like about Max is the kind of range. Yeah, I mean, from like literally 99 to 499, I think 999, whatever. It's a very it's a very pocket friendly place, much like how it is with regard to these other places like Zudio and Reliance Trends and Style Union. All of them have come up only in the recent past, when in fact Max has been there for quite a while now. Like accessories, for instance, these are for the little girls, and when it comes to fragrances, I just like even the soft toys and all. These make for excellent gifts. Yeah, so yeah, this is how it is. It's a cute place really, and this is near the JNTU metro station in Hyderabad. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.